All right, I know I said I was never going to buy anything else again. However, I've been seeing so much about the Ember Mug, and then it was on sale for like $20 off for Valentine's Day week or the first week of February or whatever. So I thought I'd check it out. However, on the Ember site where it's on sale, like everything's out of stock. So I just went ahead and paid full price on Amazon, which is fine because I think it's $129, so it's not cheap, but you can return it hassle-free on Amazon, which is not the same, I would say, with the actual manufacturer, because usually they charge you for returns and then they give you a big hassle about it. So, which Amazon never does. So, and plus I wanted it in white and I wanted it in 14 ounces. So the one that I use now is 20 ounces. I don't know if you can see it. And I've done tons of unboxings on the Made Designs ones because I like the silver or the metal inside because it keeps everything warm. Because I am a slow drinker. Now, Ben, I know what you're thinking, well, maybe the two of you can share it. We would never share it only because Ben is a super fast coffee, like hot drinker. Like he pounds it. Like I don't even know. It's like, it's gone in 2 seconds. Where I like to enjoy it and sip on it. And it takes me, I want to say maybe like 3, possibly 4 hours to make it through a 20-ounce cup of tea. And sometimes even then, by the time it gets cold, then I just kind of give up. But it does keep it warm for quite a while versus like when it's in a regular ceramic mug, it's like cold within, I want to say 10 minutes. So looks like we have some plastic here and here. There we go. All right, so it is a pretty, oh wow, this is really heavy. I know when I say heavy, I mean, it feels like it's a pound. Charge before using, okay, that makes sense. I have to charge it. We have to take this off. It's little metal coils. So now because it's larger, because I know they advertise that it will last for 90 minutes, I think our 2 hours, is it 2 hours? This one lasts half the time, I think, because it's larger, so it's more liquid. But I think you can put it on this base, and in theory, the base should keep it warm. So we'll see if that works out okay. And don't worry, I have a thermometer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a test. We're gonna put one of these silver mugs up next to the Ember, leave it for the 90 minutes or however long it says it will last, and we'll check it and see how it does afterwards. Assuming you don't want to take, because I mean, I guess I could leave this on my desk, but that is kind of annoying. Like, do you want that on your desk all the time or do you not? So we'll test it out both ways. All right, so we're in my kitchen, and what we're going to do is we have the Ember Mug over here, and we have the Corkcicle over here. And supposedly this thing's been at 99% for like 4 hours now, so I'm assuming it's going to work. I don't know. It's really weird. It feels like, it just feels nice and cool inside and out, so I don't even know if it's working. According to the lights, it looks like it's working, but we're gonna pour the same amount of water into each. So I think this is the smaller one. So I'm gonna pour that there, and then pour this amount over here. And this water was just boiling. So I have a meat thermometer here. Now it is, I'll mark the time. It says this should last 80 minutes. So we're gonna set a timer for 80 minutes to see how this thing maintains the temperature after 80 minutes. What is 1 hour and 80 minutes? 70, 80, 20 minutes, 1 hour and 20 minutes. Please don't knock that over, Lucky. He likes to knock everything over and just watch it fall. Okay, got 80 minutes on the clock. So this is 180 degrees, and that's because it was just boiling. So let's run it under some cold water. And then let's test this one. Same thing, it's a little bit over 180 degrees. So we'll just leave these here, let it go, and I'll check back in 80 minutes. We'll see. I mean, I just don't know how this is gonna keep anything warm. It doesn't really seem like it's working, but who knows? Maybe it's like secretly working and I just can't tell. It is the moment of truth. I don't know why the camera changed. I think Ben came home, so he moved something. So it hasn't been on the stand. According to the app, it says that this is still 135. So we're gonna put the thermometer in here and check it. It's been about 82 minutes. It took me a couple minutes to come downstairs, and it is 135 degrees according to this, I think. This is a bigger thermometer, but it looks to be correct. Can I blow on this to change the temperature? Okay, so let's check my other water in my metal container. It's lower. So the water in here is only 105 degrees. So it did keep it warmer. So I'm gonna do a taste test too. That does feel lukewarm, and we'll try the Ember. And it does feel warmer. So this does work, which I don't know why. It's a huge surprise to me. I thought for sure this thing wouldn't work. I can see the color. I don't even know what this color at the bottom means, this pink. But supposedly if I put it on this little stand, it should be able to stay warm throughout the day. So definite win. Very excited about this. Mostly I'm probably, because I drink tea all day, so I would use this every day. The only thing I am worried about, because I did get the white, because I just think white looks prettier on my desk, I'm worried that it might stain, because the tea is staining the inside of this. So I will report back and let you know if it does end up staining the inside of this. Also, sometimes when I get lattes, because I'm a slow tea drinker or latte drinker, I'm like extremely slow. Well, the lattes probably aren't a big deal because I'm not supposed to have a lot of sugar. And so with the lattes, usually by the time it gets cold, I just toss the rest of it. So maybe I drink like 1/4 or 1/3 of whatever I order, what size I get. So we'll see if this makes a difference, because there's nothing worse than, I know you can microwave coffee, but to microwave a latte is totally different, because steamed milk has, I don't know, it caramelizes the sugars inside the milk. I'm not sure what the science is behind it, but it just tastes 1,000 times better than when you heat up milk on a saucepan or in the microwave. That's a wrap. I used to always say that these metal containers were the best, but clearly I am wrong. I have been proved wrong by the Ember cup. All right, I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.